So we use patient ID to call the patient to check for the patient's appointment. So you just click on, you just type the patient ID and then and then press the search button, and then it brings back all the information about that patient. And then you can close it here, and then here it's where the prescription is. You also call the patient by patient ID, and then you click search. It displays the information and everything here. So you can write prescription ID and the prescription 2, and then symptoms. Let's say headache. The patient has headache, and then diagnosis is migraine, and then medication okay, paracetamol, paracetamol, yes. And then it dates, it's 05 15 2025. And then does the patient require admission? You click yes or no. If the patient does require admission, and then you choose the ward. Is it private, general, or emergency? In this case, let's just choose emergency, and then save. The prescription has been successfully saved. You can also close here, and then you come to billing. And then when you click on billing, you enter the patient oh my god, sorry, you enter the patient's ID, and then it brings back all the information and the price that the patient needs to pay. And then the bill is generated. Here is the message, total bill, and then it brings back the total bill, of which is 30 rand in this case, because our paracetamol price was set to 30 rand on our database. And then we can close and then log out from the system. Yes, we want to log out, and then we close the application. So now going to our SQL database. This is the name of our schema. Hospital management is the name of our schema, which has like tables. We have a table for billing, a table for doctors, a table for medication, a table for patients, patient treatment, and prescription, as we saw on that other side. So this is all the tables. We created a database called hospital management, and then we used the database hospital management to create tables. We created a table for users, which is the table that we use to log in as admins. And then we also created a table for patients, which has like patient ID as a primary key, yes, date of birth, gender, cell number, and address. We created a table called appointment for checking appointments, as you saw on the Java code, on the Java interface. And then we also created a table called treatment for the treatment, which brings like treatment ID, appointment ID, and cost. Also created a table for prescription, a prescription which contains a prescription ID, appointment ID, medication name, and instruction, and also a billing table. And then okay, so when you view the table, it will show you the billing that you entered that side on the interface, which is like the total amount, the date of the bill, the patient ID, the patient that was billed, and then the bill ID. So the bill ID was auto incremented, And then here on doctor's ID, it shows the available doctors. Since the other doctors that were available, I deleted them, so this one will show the remaining doctors who are on duty, that are on duty. And then this one is the medication. Here is the medication. You can see here paracetamol is 30 rand. We have like medication name and price. Paracetamol is 30 rand, injection is 90 rand, Alcophylix is 60 rand, Adcodol is 45 rand. And then here we have a patient table which has all the patients that we entered on that other side. And then here it's the treatment. The treatment table is empty. And then here we have the prescription. The prescription table has like this is our last prescription, the one that I just entered, which has like migraine, and then the patient ID is 1, and then the medication name was like paracetamol. This is how our database works, and together with our Java code. Okay, what else did I miss? I think I have explained everything. Thank you.